Hello students of class 10, subject environmental science, lesson 7 energy, in which you are going to learn nuclear energy. The renewable sources of energy. The renewable sources of energy or alternative form of energy can save us from the energy crisis and become the major source of energy in future. Got it? One such energy is solar energy, waste biomass energy, sea wave energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, and fusion energy. Energy conservation is also very important. Now we are going to discuss about nuclear energy in this lesson. The dream of nuclear energy and nuclear power stations began with Homi Bhabha's vision in the mind of Homi Bhabha and several scientists. In the mid-1949 of unlimited nuclear power of India started with the dream of Homi Bhabha. Got it? Bhabha Atomic Power Station is also there, no children? Today, the rupee is 1,800 crore nuclear empire consists of just about everything: uranium mines, fuel fabrication, factories, heavy water plants, nuclear power stations. Got it? And all this is spent on nuclear power processing units and plants. Inaugurating India's fifth, the latest nuclear reactor, the first unit of Madras Atomic Power Station, called as MAPPI, Madras Atomic Power Project. Got it? Which authorizes claim of 90% of indigenous, that is Indian. Indigenous means totally our country. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared some countries have attempted to prevent India becoming technologically strong. The successful completion of MAPPI is an example of determination to be self-reliant. Got it, children? Like that, India started nuclear energy first in Kalpakkam. India today has 5 nuclear reactors in operation, 2 each at Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kota, Rajasthan, and 1 at Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu, with a combined installed capacity of about 1,095 megawatts, representing 2.5% of total power capacity in the country. 5 more units are under construction at Kalpakkam, Narora, Uttar Pradesh, and Kakrapur, Gujarat. Got it? The site of 6th stations has yet to be announced, but according to M.R. Srinivasan, chairman of Nuclear Power Board, it will probably be sited in the south. They thought initially it is Kaiga, children. Got it? And near Mangalore also, but there are so many agitations and later on it is still postponed. Nuclear power. Nuclear power or nuclear energy is use of exothermic nuclear processes to generate useful heat and electricity. The term includes nuclear fission, nuclear decay, and nuclear fusion. Presently, the nuclear fission of elements in the atomic energy, that is nuclear energy, that is in the periodic table actinoid series, that is there are 2 kinds of elements, children, lanthanoids and actinoids. The actinoid series is taken here in the periodic table to produce majority of the nuclear energy. Is that clear? Refer page number 112, children. The direct service of humankind with nuclear decay process primarily in the form of geothermal energy, and then it is radioisotopic thermoelectronic generators. Radioisotopes means uranium isotopes. Got it? Uranium and then rhodium, like that. Got it? In Nikkei uses making the rest. Nuclear fission power station, excluding the contribution from the naval nuclear fission reactor, provided 5.7% of the world's energy and 13% of world's electricity in 2012. In 2013, the IAEA report that there were 437 operational nuclear power reactors in 31 countries, although not every reactor is producing electricity. In addition, there are approximately 140 naval vessels using nuclear propulsion in operation. And net energy gain from sustained nuclear fusion reactions, excluding natural fusion power sources such as sun, remain as an ongoing area of international physics and engineering research. More than 60 years after the first attempts, commercial fusion power production remains unlikely before 2050. Got it? Nuclear power plants accident includes Chernobyl disaster in 1986, Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster in 2011, and the 3 Mile Island accident in 1979 are very, very notable. There are also been some nuclear submarine accidents. In terms of lives lost per unit of energy generated, analysis has determined that nuclear power has caused less fatalities per unit of energy generated than other major sources of energy generation. Energy production from coal, petroleum, natural gas, and hydropower has caused a greater number of fatalities per unit energy generated due to air pollution and energy accident effects. However, economic cost of nuclear power accident is very high and meltdown can take decades to clean up. So it is to clear, it is very, very difficult. You have already seen Bhopal gas leak, this one tragedies. Still, that effect is there, no? Like that nuclear effect also, atomic bomb effects and all are very severe. Got it? To clean up is difficult. The human cost of evacuations of affected population and lost livelihood is also significant. Along with the other sustainable sources, nuclear power is low carbon power generation method of productivity of electricity. It is low cost, children, low power, and carbon dioxide production is also very, very, carbon power also very less. With an analysis of the literature on its total life cycle emission intensity, finding the unit is similar to other renewable sources is comparison of greenhouse gas emission per unit of energy is generated. That is also greenhouse gas generation is also less. With this translating into from the beginning of nuclear power station commercialization in 1970s, having prevented the emission of approximately 64 gigatons of carbon dioxide equivalent to greenhouse gases. Got it? That would have otherwise resulted from the burning of fossil fuels in thermal stations. Got it? Low-level radioactive waste. Nuclear industry also produces a large volume of low-level radioactive waste in the form of contaminated items like clothing, hand tools, water purifier resins, and the decomposition, got it, decommissioning the materials of which the reactor itself is built. In the US, the Nuclear Regulator Commission has reportedly attempted to allow low-level materials to be handled as normal waste, landfilled, recycled into consumer items, etc. Got it? Like that, they wanted to reduce the pollution by the nuclear energy production. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion reactions have the potential to be safer and generate less radioactive waste than fission. You know about fusion and fission reactions, children? When two nuclei fuse, lot of energy will be liberated. That is called fusion. Fission means when the nucleus splits, then that time also energy will be liberated. That is called fission energy. These reactions appear potentially viable though technically quite difficult and have yet to be created on a scale that could be used in a functional power plant. Fusion power has been under theoretically and experimentally investigation since 1950s. Construction of International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor Facility began in 2007, but the project has run into many delays and budget overruns. The facility is now not expected to begin operation until the year 2027, 11 years after initially anticipated. A follow-on commercial nuclear fusion power station demo has been proposed. There is also suggestions for power plant based upon different fusion approach that of a plant. Fusion powered electricity generation was initially believed to be readily achievable as fission power had been. However, the extreme requirements for continuous reactions and plasma containment led to projections being extended by several decades. In 2010, more than 60 years after the first attempts, commercial power production was still believed to be unlikely before 2050. So now you understood that still it is 11 years, that is in 2017 it is estimated to be 11 years. Now it may take another 2 more years because this year there is a progress deterioration. Got it? So the anticipation is 2027. Got it? The demo is also being taken. Got it? In 2010, more than 60 years after the first attempt, the commercial power was produced. Till now it is only government and country-wide. A large number of organizations across the country support the nuclear program. Got it? Then the oldest and the most prestigious nuclear establishment in the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC it is called, BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center at Trombay, the fountain head of the India's research on light and heavy water reactor. The country's second nuclear research center is the Reactor Research Center, RRC, at Kalpakkam near Madras, which concentrate, Tamil Nadu children, Madras earlier it was called, which concentrate on fast breeder reactor. Together, these institutions spend 60 crore to 70 crores annually and employ over 12,000 people. Uranium is mined by Uranium Corporation of India in Jagwada in Singhbhum, Bihar. The mine and its associated mill are capable of processing 1,000 tons of uranium every day. The corporation is planning to open 2 more mines shortly in Naraswapahar and Turmi in near Jamshedpur at the cost of about 100 crores to meet the full needs of the new power stations. The uranium mined is sent to the Nuclear Fuel Complex NFCs at Hyderabad, where it is fabricated into pellets and enclosed in zircalosi tubes. Children, zircalosi tubes means, see, like how we have bulbs, like that. In one bulb, they fill this nuclear tablets, children, pellets, tablet like, and then they will send. This is done in Hyderabad. To fuel rods for nuclear reactors at Kota and Kalpakkam. The zircalosi is made at NFC using zirconium. Zirconium is another kind of metal. Sands from the Kerala. The enriched uranium, it will be like, zirconium will be like stones only, children. This jewelry and all they'll use, no, like that, stones. It is also like diamonds and all like that. The enriched uranium for the light water reactors at Tarapur is imported and is fabricated at NFC. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is quite benign source, mainly because of extreme care that is taken during design, construction and operation of nuclear power stations or power plants. Nuclear fission has established itself as one of the potential solutions for the major problem. India has already gained considerable experience and expertise in all aspects of nuclear fuel cycle, which includes uranium mining, fabrication of fuel, design, construction and operation of nuclear power plant, reprocessing of the spent fuel. Refer to page number 116. Nuclear energy in India. In the context of energy science, our country nuclear power needs the complement the other sources of energy. India has 5 nuclear reactors in operation today. To each at Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kota, Rajasthan, Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu, with a combined installed capacity of 1095 megawatts, representing about 2.5% of the total power capacity in the country. Got it, children? In south it is Kalpakam, Tarapur, Maharashtra. It has capacity of 1095 megawatts, children. Energy conservation is another important context. I hope you understood about the nuclear reactors and you have not learned anything technically in the part which you have learned in 116 and 17 page, children. It is only that 15 and 16. Now not 16 and 17. It is 15 and 16. Actually, these are all what you have learned is about where all the places is there and who has taken initiation. All that you have learned. So this is only for the reference, children. Got it? Now actually the part of advantages, disadvantages, safety measures, security, all that you are going to learn now. The actual part of nuclear energy. Energy conservation you are going to learn now. Now we are back to 114 page. Got it? Nuclear energy and energy conservation. Got it? It is common saying that energy saved is produced. Penny saved is penny earned. You have seen the proverb in English, no? Same way, if you save the energy, it is equivalent to production of energy. So we should try to prevent the energy from being wasted uselessly. This can be done everywhere, in home, in school and in transport and in industry. In many homes, the lights and fans are kept switched on even when not needed. In the offices, you would have seen, children. One seat to other seat, they'll go for every seat, there will be fan. One seat to other seat, if they are moving, they don't switch off the fans and go. They simply walk and after half an hour they'll come back and that fan will be switched on only. Such things should not be done. Radio and TV are kept on unnecessarily and water gets heated to high temperatures by sheer negligence and then allowed to cool for taking bath in winter. All these are highly undesirable practices which waste the precious electrical energy. So whenever you see a fan or light unnecessarily in home or school, please switch it off at once. We should take a great care in using the fossil fuels like coal, petroleum products like petrol, kerosene and diesel and natural gases. These should be conserved as far as possible and used when no alternative source of energy is available. Nuclear fission. An induced fission reaction. A neutron is absorbed by uranium-235. We are going to learn induced fission reaction, children. A neutron. If you take an atom, there are 3 things: proton, electron and neutron. Got it? A neutron is absorbed by uranium-235 nucleus, turning it briefly into an excited uranium-236 nucleus with an excitation energy provided by the kinetic energy of the neutron plus the forces that bind the neutron. The uranium-236 in turn splits into fast-moving lighter elements. They release 3 free neutrons. At the same time, one or more prompt gamma rays are produced as well. Got it, children? When nucleus is bombarded with some of the rays, then it will split into lighter elements. The nuclear physics and nuclear chemistry and nuclear fission is either a nuclear reaction or a radioactive decay process in which the nucleus of an atom splits into smaller parts, lighter nuclei. The fission process often produces free neutrons and photons in the form of gamma rays. Got it? Light particles, electrons and neutrons and protons will be there in the atom. Once they are bombarded with once it is bombarded, the atom will split into smaller parts, lighter nuclei. The fission process often produces free neutrons, gamma rays, and release a very large amount of energy, even by the energetic standards of radioactive decay. Got it, children? So radioactive elements constantly they will be releasing electrons, and in that process energy will be released. Nuclear fission of heavy elements was discovered on December 17, 1938 by Otto Hahn and his assistant Fritz Strassmann, and explained theoretically in January 1939 by Lise Meitner and her nephew Otto Robert Frisch. Frisch named the process by analogy with biological fission of living cells. It is an exothermic reaction which can release large amounts of energy both as electromagnetic radiation and as kinetic energy fragments, heating the bulk material where fission takes place. Exothermic means where the energy is released. Endothermic reaction means where energy is consumed. And electromagnetic radiation and in the form of kinetic energy possessed by a moving object. Like that, these fragments of bulk materials where fission takes place. In order for fission to produce energy, the total binding energy of resulting elements must be greater than the starting energy. Fission is the form of nuclear transmutation because the resulting fragments are not the same elements as the original atom. Suppose they are taking uranium-236, as the fission takes, the original atom will not be there, children. It will keep on changing. The two nuclei produced are most often comparable but slightly different sizes, typically with a mass ratio of products of about 3 to 2 for common fissile isotopes. Most fissions are binary fissions producing two charged fragments, but occasionally 2 to 4 per 10,000 units. Per 1,000 units. 3 positively charged fragments are produced in a ternary fission. The smallest of these fragments in ternary process ranges in size from a proton to an orgone nucleus. Fission as encountered in the modern world is usually deliberately produced man-made nuclear reaction induced by neutron. Fission is encountered in the modern world is usually a deliberately produced man-made nuclear induced by a neutron. It is less commonly encountered as a natural form of spontaneous radioactive decay, not requiring neutron, occurring especially in very high mass number of isotopes. The unpredictable composition of products, which vary in broad, probabilistic and somewhat chaotic manner, distinguishes fission from purely quantum tunneling process such as proton emission, alpha decay and cluster decay, which give the same products each time. Nuclear fission produces for nuclear power and derives the energy. and drives the explosion of nuclear weapons. Both uses are possible because certain substances called nuclear fuels undergo fissions when struck by fission neutrons and in turn emit neutrons when they break apart. This makes possible a self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction that releases energy at controlled rate in nuclear reactor or at very rapid uncontrolled rate in nuclear weapon. The amount of free energy contained in nuclear fuel is millions times of the amount of free energy contained in similar mass chemical fuel such as gasoline, making nuclear fission a very dense source of energy. The product of nuclear fission, however, are on average far more radioactive than heavy elements which are normally fissioned as fuel and remain so for significant amount of time, giving rise to the nuclear waste problem. Concerns over nuclear waste accumulation and over the destruction potential of nuclear weapons may be counterbalanced and desirable qualities of fission as energy sources and give rise to ongoing political debate over nuclear powers. Advantages and disadvantages of nuclear energy. Got it? Here we are going to analyze advantages and disadvantages. Many organizations related to nuclear energy are already positioned for against the use of nuclear energy at this object to attain the objective analysis, giving the maximum information to the visitors. Got it? Now, some of the conclusions. Advantages of nuclear energy. Generating electricity by nuclear energy saving is an important pollutant gases like carbon dioxide and others that would be generated if this energy would be generated from the burning of fossil fuel. Currently, more fossil fuels which are produced so that in the not too distant future these resources will be exhausted or prices would rise, making them inaccessible to most consumers for the overpopulation. Another advantage is the amount of fuel needed. The little fuel, large amount of energy are obtained. Very little we take, but large fuel will be available. This saves on raw material, but also in transport, handling, extraction, nuclear fuel. The cost of fuel is 20% of the cost of energy generated. Production of electricity energy is continuous. A nuclear power plant is generating electricity for almost 90% of the hours of the year. This reduces the price that exists in other fuels such as petrol, and also conductive and continuous electrical planning as no such dependency in natural aspect, with that of major disadvantage of renewable energy. With the major disadvantage of renewable energy in the hours of sun or wind does not always coincide with the hours of greatest energy demand is solved. As an alternative to fossil fuels, need to consume as much of carbon fuels like oil. So therefore, the problem of global warming, which is believed to have reduced one more important influence on climate change on the planet. By reducing the consumption of fossil fuels, also improve the quality of the air we breathe. With all that, this implies the decline of disease and quality of life. We'll continue disadvantages in another video, children. Thank you.